What's up everybody? How's your day going? Hope it's going good. By the way, I'm Nishal Ahmed and this is the first time me talking to the camera. And okay, it feels a bit weird. So I make this video to talk about a project I've been recently working on. It's called Stopmotion and I just found out about it. No, I didn't find out. I see this kind of video all over YouTube, but I never really knew how to make it until I saw a video from Daniel Schiffer. I don't know his name, but I'll just call him that. And he literally explained what to do. So I set my expectations high and started recording the video. But the results were not as good as I expected. But so, still, here's the video. By the way, that's the end of the video. If you liked it, please subscribe and leave a like. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye.